Hello, it's Gracie from Gracie Ellie Design for Therm, and today I have a little twist on my last video tutorial where I showed you how to create a crackled foil effect for your fall projects. This time I'm using a different technique, and what I did is I cut lots of leaves from white cardstock, and I'm using Deco Foil transfer gel, and I'm covering all of these die cuts with a thin coat of gel, and I'm trying to give them a smooth application, but you don't have to be perfect at all. Once they're dry, make sure that they are completely transparent and glossy. That means that you are ready to run them through the laminator. So before I do that, I'm wrinkling a piece of amber watercolor foil, and you need to wrinkle it a lot until you actually see some of the carrier sheet. I'm gonna run as many leaves as possible through the laminator, covering them with the wrinkled sheet of amber watercolor foil. And once they are ready, they will look like this. You can actually see the crackles. And you are going to cover that again with a different color of foil. In this case, I'm using emerald watercolor foil, and that is the result you get in the end. I repeated the process, but instead of using emerald Deco Foil, I used red Deco Foil together with the amber watercolor, and that gives you a different look. Here I'm showing you how the leaves from the last tutorial look and how the ones we are making today look. It is a different effect, but they're both crackled, and they give your projects a very nice look. I wanted to add some stitched accents to the leaves, so I'm piercing some holes as guidelines, and then I'm going to be sewing them by hand. I'm using a dark color of thread to create some contrast. And this is how they look. I didn't stitch all of the leaves, I just wanted to add some accents just to some of them. And now it's time to create your actual greeting card. And I made a note card from black premium cardstock from Gina K Designs for Therm, and now I'm going to be sticking all of these leaves using super tape. Now I'm going to embellish my card, and I'm using the beautiful sheer satin ribbon in black and gold from Gina K for Therm. I'm only tying a knot, and this ribbon is so elegant and so pretty. It matches so well, and so I decided that would be actually more than enough so that the background can stand out. I printed and foiled a sentiment, and this is a digital stamp, and I'm going to stick it with dots. The background is very busy, so I decided that a simple sentiment banner and the beautiful ribbon would be perfect to finish off my card. And this is how it looks. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to know more about this and many other projects, please visit thermoweb.com/blog. You can always follow me at gracieladesign.blogspot.com. Until next time.